Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I am unboxing an order from the Reese shop. Now y'all know that I always order from Craft Outlet because they're in Baton Rouge. If I order on Monday, early enough, I get it on Tuesday. It's like one-day shipping for me. They're in Baton Rouge, I'm in New Orleans. The Reese shop is in Prosper, Texas. Also not very far, I'm assuming. I mean, Texas is the next state over. Before I even get into what's in this box and see like the quality of the stuff, I just wanted to say that their website is not the easiest to navigate. I didn't find it like a visually appealing kind of thing. Like if I'm spending money, like I like Craft Outlet. Everything's organized. They also have their stuff that's in stock and out of stock mixed together. So if you search red Deco mesh and you see one that you like and you go to click on it to order it, it'll say out of stock, but it's mixed in with all the other stuff. Craft Outlet has everything at the end of your search results to be like, hey, we have this, but we're out of stock of it right now. Besides that, they ship UPS. I don't like UPS. That's got nothing to do with them. It's just, I feel like they always take so long. This shipped either Friday or maybe Saturday, and it got here today. Today's Tuesday. It got here at like 2:30, so whatever. So I'm gonna go through here, open this up, and y'all are like, wait, why is he opening it like that? Because I already filmed the beginning of this, and then I had to stop, but I still have not opened the box yet, so. Let's see what we got. All this stuff is from my big custom order, and I ordered from the Reese shop because they had stuff that I did not need. Now, again, before I open this, the amount of stuff I ordered, I did not think would fit into a box this size, but I mean, there's 4 rolls of Deco, there's 5 rolls of there's a lot of Deco, there's a couple of rolls of Deco mesh, 5 rolls of ribbon, 4 big swags, so let's see. Oh, I still don't have this open. Okay, I don't like that I just cut through my invoice, but alright. Oh, you know, but I do like this. I do like that there's pictures on here. There's not prices though, so. But look, it shows you everything on here for them to like check. So it's 4 of the teardrops, 3 rolls of natural mesh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of ribbon, and 2 things of green mesh. And is that it? Yeah, I think so. So this was about $100, but these 4 things, which I ordered 2 of them because I need them because they're going local. I needed to get my order up to the $89, so I just added 2 more of these, and I was like, I can't even ship these. But like, now that I'm looking at it, my boxes are, yeah, I can't ship these. I mean, maybe I could get it in a box diagonally, but I don't know. So this is the hanger, and these were $10. Craft Outlet usually has these. They were out of stock. I think they're the same price. But these are, the one from Craft Outlet that I did was 36 inches. This one is 28 inches, which is a lot more manageable. I'm not like immediately intimidated by it. So yeah, that's just kind of what they look like. You know, it's a swag. Wow. I guess they really could fit it all in here, huh? I mean, look how flat they are. Okay. My back is killing me. This is a mesh I got. I can't... Craft Outlet has been sold out of this. This is in here, y'all. Craft Outlet has been sold out of this mesh for, I don't know, like a year, it seems. Either they're just always out of it, or I never seem to get it in time. So I ordered the 2 I needed for this project and an extra one. This is the border stripe that I'm going to be using. And here are my ribbons. My guidelines were bright spring, something that you could keep up for 2 to 3 weeks, 2 to 3 months. So I didn't want to go, look at that, y'all, oh my god. I didn't want to go straight Easter, but I think it'll work fine from like March until, I mean, after Mardi Gras, this could go up. I don't know if she's got Mardi Gras up or not, but after Mardi Gras, definitely through March, April, May. I mean, depending on what you're into, you can leave it up all summer. So I have a 4-inch micro dot, 4-inch Swiss dot, is that what it's called? Yeah, 4-inch raised Swiss dot fuchsia. So this has a little bit of texture on it. 2.5-inch orange white polka dot ribbon. This is a faux burlap and lime green, which I would have liked it to be a little closer to that green, but that's okay. This is another raised Swiss dot and mint. And this is the ribbon that I didn't know what to do because I didn't get a lot of direction. It was just like bright spring, 2 to 3 months. So this was my jumping off point. I ordered this and then I bought everything around it. So all my colors and stuff came from this ribbon and my florals, which I did not get from here, so I'm not going to include them in here, but yeah, let's take a look at this. Okay, see, this is not great ribbon. All of these are business expressions, really great ribbon, or whatever it's called. This does not have a label on it, and usually I am, this looks like it's gonna fry. So I wish that was like more canvasy, but you can't tell until you order. So yeah, these are, my back is killing me, I'm gonna die. These are my colors that I am working with, and I have some other stuff from my stash that might work its way in here. But yeah, this is going to be my next project, but it's going to be a big one, so I'm going to take my time, and I have to do 2 of them because it's double doors. But yeah, so I wish I had prices on this stuff. I know it was like $100, which that's fine. That does not seem comparable to craft outlet, because I feel like I could order $100 worth of craft outlet and have a lot more mesh and a lot more ribbon. But this looks like $60 because those swags were $40 because they were $10 each. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not so sure about this ribbon. Everything else I know is from really great ribbon, so it should be pretty good. And I'm excited to get started on this, but also like terrified, and you know. So yeah, that is my order for my custom double door 28-inch swags. Oh my god. It's like I want to do it, but at the same time I'm just like, you know. Is anybody else like that? Like you get stuff and you're excited to like be able to make a big project, but then at the same time you're like, oh god, this is gonna be hell. But it's really not. I'm gonna make my bows before I do anything. I'm gonna do my bases before I do anything. So I'm gonna do everything in steps, as I have to do 2 of each. So like I'll cut all my mesh down, put that on the side, make my bows, put those on the side, fluff out 2 of these burlap swags, and fill in with the mesh, fill in with the bows. Whatever's left will be turned into tails. And then I have my florals from Michael's and Hobby Lobby and Walmart and Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know. Alright guys, thanks for watching as always. This is a sneak peek of what's to come. You guys won't see this video until March because I just finished. Y'all guys won't see me doing this project until March because it's January, the middle of January now, and I have finished February already, so this will be sometime in March, but yeah, look forward to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I think I'm gonna get back in bed because my back hurts. That's how I end every video now. I'm like, I'm going back to bed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.